Collect cell tower lease profits by www.celltowergold.com. There are several ways to collect cell tower lease profits. Cell towers hold the relay masts that are the connection nodes in the mobile telephone network. The relay masts are placed in high locations, such as on towers or the tops of buildings, to provide line-of-sight connection with adjacent connection points. In the USA alone, there are hundreds of thousands of these sites, and according to Cell Tower Gold, there are about 370,000 USA cell sites that may be good investing opportunities. The phone companies only own a few percent of these sites and lease the rest. This is why you can hold a lease and collect cell tower lease profits. You can also buy, rehab, and sell these leases and attached properties. A more advanced approach, if you want to collect cell tower lease profits, is to buy several of these sites and create cell tower lease securities for other investors. Or you can just flip wireless cell tower assets. This approach may require a bit of rehabbing, but can be profitable. How do I start to collect cell tower lease profits? A very simple approach is to go driving on a quiet afternoon. Look for relay masts on hilltops and on tall buildings or freestanding towers. You can go online at www.antennasearch.com to find sites anywhere. Next, you will need to find out who holds the lease for the cell site. From this point on, you will collect cell tower lease profits more readily if you take a few cues from the experts at Cell Tower Gold. Take their course and learn how to approach cell site owners and leaseholders. Learn about structuring cell site lease deals. Will this be a 10-year deal, a 50-year deal, or a 99-year lease? How does payment occur? How are you guaranteed payment? Learn about assignments, easements, and fee simple, and how these terms relate to wireless cell site investing. In addition, you want to learn the pricing of the cell tower lease business. How is revenue shared in joint ventures, and what will the market bear when you want to sell your stake in a cell tower lease? Take the course by Cell Tower Gold and learn the ins and outs of cell tower investing. Securitizing cell site leases. Just like dividend stocks, cell site lease securities have a value based on income plus routine income based on lease payments. You can also buy these securities and often enjoy a better rate of return and better night's sleep than with other investments. Flipping cell site leases. If you are good at creative solutions, you may find that you can pick up both lease and property for a good price, fix problems along the way, and come out with a more valuable property. The first task is finding willing sellers. But even more important, it is useful to have a buyer ready in the wings after you have done all of your work. If you would like more information about this amazing and unique opportunity, please join our mailing list. We will be sending more information over the next few weeks in our newsletter. For more information about this amazing opportunity, please visit www.celltowergold.com.